Good morning, everybody. I am speaking to you from Lake Louise in Banff National Park. I arrived here yesterday, spent a full day exploring the town of Banff. I summited Tunnel Mountain yesterday. I went grocery shopping. What else did I do? It was kind of a chill day. Didn't really feel like vlogging. I explored the Fairmont Hotel, which was like very Shining-esque, very scary castle-like hotel place. But yeah, good day. I'm just finishing up a peanut butter and jelly everything bagel. And I've got a big hike today that I'm inviting you guys along with me. We're doing the Plain of Six Glaciers. It basically goes around Lake Louise and then you gain about a little over 1,500 feet in elevation. It's a 9.5 mile round trip hike, moderate to strenuous. I just have to brush my teeth, pack my bag, get some snacks, and get started. Hi. Nice to meet you. You're cute. So I've arrived at the tea house, and as much as I'd love to treat myself to breakfast and coffee and scones and everything delicious, I plan on reaching the very top of this trail, which is still a little over a kilometer up. So I'm gonna have a drink of water, a protein bar, and I'm gonna finish the trail. And then maybe I'll treat myself to some tea on the way down. I don't know. This was a very, very gorgeous hike. I cannot wait to get to the top. Wow. So I made it, 3/4 of a way up this very steep and rocky hill. I'm just not sure if my shoes are the best. I did not wear my hiking boots today. I wanted to try hiking in my tennis shoes. Basically, I need to buy new shoes and I'm just putting it off. But yeah, it's like very steep and very rocky all the way up, and there's this gorgeous waterfall and I really want to go, but safety first. If I do get up there, I'm definitely not gonna have my camera in my hands, that's for sure. So we'll see. This glacier is incredible. You've got just feet upon feet of snow up there. It's amazing. It's just so trippy. It's so cool. Well, I've made it this far. It would be a real shame not to go the whole way. Wish me luck. I made it! Yay! Look at that! Alright guys, I'm heading down. I'm very nervous. It's very, very slippery and very steep. So if for some reason something goes wrong, I slip and fall to my death, rest assured that I died happy. Waterfalls. Also, I think it's safe to say I made it past the scary part. I did fall twice. The earth just slid right under me 2 times. Fell right on my ass. Fortunately, on my ass. So I think I'm okay. I also put my long sleeve shirt on with my little thumb holes, meaning when I fell down, I had cloth to protect me. So I kind of anticipated the issue, and I'm so glad that I did, and the shirt has come in handy today. I might have twisted my knee a little bit, but right now it's not bothering me. It's just something I felt in the moment. So we'll see about that. Maybe I'll go for a soak after this, because there are hot springs galore here. But at this moment, I am just soaking in this magnificent glacier, all of these waterfalls, holy moly. And then of course off in the distance we have Chateau Lake Louise. And you can see all of Lake Louise. It's just like this teal emerald off in the distance. It's absolutely beautiful. It's amazing to see how far I've come. Alright, I just had a lovely cup of tea at the tea house. Met lots of really cool fellow travelers. Everyone's so nice. I love meeting fellow travelers because you're always in a good mood when you're traveling, right?
Almost. Always.
Almost always. So yeah, I'm heading back down. I'm just eating a little protein bar. And I don't think I'm going to film on the way down just so I can chill, and my phone's dying anyway. So I will talk to you guys once I arrive back at the lake, perhaps. So those girls who I kind of forcefully photobombed into my video.
Right? Almost always.
I ended up just like hiking back almost the whole way with them, which it went by really quick. I love how easy it is to go down. It's so much faster. So I've made it almost the entire way. I'm just back to the lake. The color is unbelievable. I can't even believe how bright teal this is. And well, snap, crackle, pop, everybody. I just entered British Columbia. Yeah, my phone died, obviously. I sure didn't ditch you abruptly like that on purpose. So, finished up my hike. It was absolutely wonderful because, yeah, glaciers, man, they're really, really cool. Like, I'm such a fan. I think the most surreal oh, yeah! Am I out of Hello. I have tried not once, not twice, but 3 times. Well, this is my fourth time trying to vlog. I think my phone just didn't want to cooperate. My life right now, I feel so lucky. Absolutely amazing campsite. I found this using freecampsites.com again. That's how I found the last amazing campsite in Montana. I'm trying to not set the bar too high. I'm sure not all of these free campsites are gonna be this amazing, but the last, the 2 times I've used this website, it's gone quite well. Oh crap, gotta add more wood. Oh, hey there. It just sounded so Canadian. It's rubbing off. Yeah, this vlog went downhill really quickly, but if you don't mind, I'm gonna let us do a little bit of time travel really quick. My phone had run out of memory. I just didn't take the time necessary to clear off my phone, so I just wasn't able to vlog a whole lot. First and foremost, before I get into the rest of my night, let me just say there was a very strict, very important fire ban going on in the area. As soon as I found this out, I immediately dumped a few gallons of water over the fire. Nothing bad happened. I will do better next time. Yeah, I messed up. But you might be wondering, well, if you didn't know about the fire ban and then you dumped water on your fire anyway, how did you find out about the ban? Well, that's where my night gets really, really good. I met 2 absolutely wonderful ladies, Megan and Erica, and of course you can't forget about Tug, the cutest dog in the world, or well, at least in Canada. Tug's great. But they were in the campsite next to mine. They invited me over to hang out. We stayed up all night listening to music. Everybody, yeah! Stargazing and just having good conversation, and it was really, really nice. The next morning, they even offered to make me some breakfast, so that was really cool. And it was just so awesome. So not only did I have the most gorgeous campsite looking out over WATERFALLs for free, but I also got to meet some really incredible people as well. And that, my friends, that is the beauty of travel. So I'm gonna leave this video on that note. I've got another pretty fun-filled day coming at you very, very soon. But my time in the Rockies is coming to an end. Ooh, that sun is intense. It's coming to an end, but I have had so much fun. Oh, I always get so sentimental when I have to leave a really, really wonderful place. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see all of my West Coast adventures that are coming your way real, real soon. Bye.